Sometimes I wish you never told me that you love me, 'cause I feel like I got too much to lose. And you tell me, baby, that's an excuse. And I wish I believed that that was true. Sometimes I wonder if we meant to be.
Hey y'all, it's Jaila, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back / welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. If you've been watching my videos, then you probably already peeped my braids. Okay, so this is my very first time finally achieving feed-in braids. I did a straight back hairstyle, but like, do y'all see the braids? Okay, I want to tell y'all all about my first time doing them. I will be practicing them more and showing y'all more on my channel because we got to master the feed-in, okay? If you're interested in this video, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join all 17,000, almost 18,000 of us over here, okay? We lit. Again, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you know anytime I'm posting a new video. All right, y'all, I'm so excited to tell y'all about this hairstyle. And yes, I do have some styling clips that I'll go ahead and insert a little later. But let me go ahead and give you the details. I use only 1.5 packs of hair to achieve this hairstyle. I use my tried and true Yaki Perm Soul Sister hair. This is what it looks like. Again, this is pre-stretched hair, so that took a lot of the work out for me. And the color is 4, which means it's a dark brown. So it's not exactly the color of my hair, which is more like a 1B, but this is what I had on hand, so this is what I used. Again, I used 1.5 packs, which means that this is literally a $5 hairstyle. Not even $5, $4 hairstyle. This is a $4 hairstyle. Let me go ahead and tell you some parting tricks and tips that I have learned from watching other videos, from watching other hairstylists that really helped me be able to achieve this style. The first thing is giving yourself a row of knotless braids in the back. So I do actually have a row of just knotless braids or plaits in the back of my head. The reason that I did this is because I do not want to overcrowd the nape of my neck with all of these braids. I think the first person I saw do this was Erin Courtney, who is a celebrity hairstylist. She is responsible for doing karrueche straight backs, and she jammed. Her karrueche is the reason that I want to do this hairstyle. Second thing I did that really helped me is doing my middle part. So fun fact, I do not have an equal amount of braids on this side as I do on this side. There are 8 braids on this side, 7 braids on this side for a total of 15 braids. I'm going to give the illusion of being symmetrical, even if it's not actually symmetrical. Last thing I will tell you about the parting situation, just start from your ear and work your way up. Okay, so your ear is going to be a nice guide for like the curvature of your braids rather than trying to like start in the middle and work down. That didn't make sense to me, to be quite honest with you. I kind of just went with the flow or the curvature of my head. My 3 tips: do knotless braids in the back, 1 row, give yourself a middle part, and then start by your ear and work your way up. Hopefully those parting tips and tricks help you. Let me go ahead and talk about the actual feed-in method. Without further ado, I'm going to insert some tutorial footage of me actually installing these braids and kind of talk you through how I was finally able to get a hang of the feed-in method. Alright y'all, so I'm just showing you all the materials that I'm using before we get right into it. Really simple. And my hair was stretched before doing this. I'm showing you my parts down the middle, and that little part in the back, that is going to house our knotless braids. Okay, so these are my knotless braids. I do have a knotless braid tutorial if you're interested. And now I'm going in and I'm using the curvature of my ear to complete my first part. That was the easiest way to do it, y'all. And I feel like my curves were pretty decent considering the fact that I couldn't really see the back of my head. Of course, I'm going in with the shining gem to make sure that that part is nice and crispy. And then I'm going to go in with the edge control on my actual hair to smooth out the hair and just to make my braiding process a whole lot easier. So right now you're seeing shining gem on my hair, and the next clip you're going to see edge control on my hair to smooth everything out. Okay, I'm even taking my edge brush to smooth that hair before I start to cornrow. Now y'all, here is my cornrow. I'm starting with my natural hair, not feeding anything in until I get to like the 3rd or 4th pass. And then I'm going to take very small pieces of that braiding hair, y'all. So you'll see how small it is. So just very small pieces, and I'm literally going to hook it onto my index finger. I'm left-handed, so I do the majority of my stuff with my left hand. So I'm hooking that little piece of hair onto my left index finger, and just continuing to braid as normal. Again, I'm going to take another piece, hook it on to my left index finger, and then I'm going to continue to cornrow. I will show you this process again, hopefully in greater detail, just so you can see exactly what I'm doing. But this was the way that I was able to just complete my cornrow without like thinking about the fact that I was feeding in hair, and it worked pretty well for me, as you can see. My bad, y'all. Okay, so once again, just showing you that process. I parted out my hair, I'm smoothing it out with some edge control, and I'm just showing you, I'm literally taking very small pieces of hair to feed in my head, y'all. So again, taking that piece of hair, hooking it on to my left index finger, and then I'm just going to continue to cornrow as usual. I hook 10 pieces of hair on each braid, y'all, if that helps you at all. So 10 small pieces of hair per cornrow is what I did. And then when I got to the end, I just tried to make sure that they are all the same thickness. Okay, so this is my little feed in method. I will be practicing more and hopefully showing you more as I master it and perfect it. But I was very proud of my very first attempt. Let me know if you've ever attempted feed ins in the comment section below, and how did your first try go? Because child, it could be a struggle, but hopefully it wasn't a struggle for you. Okay, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to show you one last look at my full head so y'all can see all the braids and all their glory, so stay tuned for that. Okay,
I know I said I'd never break your heart, but you can't have a fire with no spark.
I'm going to give you one last look at my hair before we close out this video.
I'm supposed to start. You said never leave, baby. And you know you driving me.
Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and once I finally master the feed-in method, if you want to see a dedicated tutorial, an in-depth tutorial on how to do these braids. But again, this is my first time. I'm still learning, so I didn't want to come on here and be like, this how you do it, because I really don't know. But let me know if you're interested in that in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so that YouTube can share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
You deserve it.